Good morning. It is 23rd of March. The tree you can see that is called red stripe. That is the name which I have given it. I bought it from a catalog which they were mixed up with my order, and my original order was not fulfilled, so they sent me to replace that one. Later on, when I contacted them about the name of the variety, they were not sure. It produces very beautiful apples, and I still call it red stripe. That is the name I have given it. These two apples have been left in my garage in a cardboard box. I believe they have been taken off the tree sometime in December. These are the two apples. You can look at the state of them. One of them was slightly damaged. Either it fell down and its part of it has been bruised or damaged, and you can see a lot of wrinkles around the damage. And now I am going to show the other side, which to me it looks beautiful. And that is the other apple. Please keep in mind that they were left in garage in the normal temperature. The garage has not been insulated, so it is almost the same temperature what's outside, and it has survived till today. And now I am going to invite Jill to give me her opinion and taste it.
Well, I'm going to peel it.
Yeah.
Are you going to try this bit now?
Yeah, thank you very much.
And I'll try this bit.
Now I am going to show you from a very close distance how it is looking before we start eating it. Now I will request Jill to taste it and let me have her opinion.
It tastes very good. Sweet with a little tiny bit of an edge to it, which makes it delicious. And the texture is really good. It's kept nice and firm, but not too firm.
Oh, that's very nice. That's very nice. I'm quite happy with those comments, with that nice opinion.
You taste.
To me, that is the best apple in my garden.
Last year's apples.
This is a very good and nice apple. The size of it is much larger than the average apple. So it has a very good size, a very good taste, and very long keeping.
And also, it looks very beautiful on the tree.
If you like my work, you can share it with your friends and family members. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the updates. Thank you.